In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic dropdown in Airtable. To follow along, start by opening your Airtable workspace and heading into the base you want to work with. In this example, I'm using a base called App List, but you can use any base that has at least two tables, one that will hold the master list of options, and another where you want to use those options in a dropdown. Once your base is open, look along the bottom of the screen where your tables are listed as tabs. Click on the table where you want the dynamic dropdown to live. Here, that table is called Table 3. This is the table where your users will select from a list of apps, notes, or any other linked items. Next, choose the column where you want the dropdown to appear or add a new column. Click on the column header to open the field configuration menu. A panel will appear that lets you change the field type. From the list of field types, select Link to another record. This is the key step. Instead of a static single select, you're creating a live connection to another table. After choosing Link to another record, Airtable will ask which table you want to link to. Select the table that contains your full list of items. In this example, that table is called App List. This table holds the master list that will feed your dropdown. Once you've selected it, confirm by clicking Create Field. If Airtable shows an extra setup helper or suggestions, you can simply click Skip to move on. Now your new linked record field is created. Click into one of the cells in that column. You'll see a small pop-up or drop-down appear. Click where it's highlighted to open the list of linked records. You should now see entries from your App List table, such as Notes, App 2, or App 1, depending on what you have in your own table. Click on an option like Notes to link it to that row. Then, in another row, repeat the process. Click the cell, open the dropdown, and choose a different item, such as App 2 or App 1. You can also start typing in the search box at the top of the dropdown to quickly filter and find the record you want. From now on, whenever you add or edit records in your source table, those changes will automatically be available in this dropdown, giving you a truly dynamic, always up-to-date selection list in Airtable.